Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to grow ingredients for sushi at home. First, choose a sunny location in your garden, ideally receiving at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Next, enrich your soil with compost or other organic materials to provide essential nutrients for healthy plant development. Carefully plan your garden's layout to ensure each plant has adequate room to thrive. For those with limited space, container gardening offers a fantastic alternative to cultivate your sushi ingredients. To create a true sushi garden, focus on key ingredients. Short grain rice can be grown in shallow, flooded beds or large, water-filled containers. Fresh vegetables like crisp cucumbers, sweet carrots, and creamy avocados are perfect for rolls. Don't forget daikon radish and aromatic shiso leaves to add authentic Japanese flavors. If your climate is suitable, you might even try growing ginger and wasabi for a truly unique harvest. Nurturing your sushi garden requires consistent care. Water your plants regularly, paying close attention to rice and other moisture-loving varieties to maintain their ideal conditions. Fertilize with a balanced organic feed every 2 to 4 weeks to encourage robust growth. Implement natural pest control methods, such as companion planting or neem oil, to keep your garden healthy. Remember to provide sturdy trellises or stakes for climbing vegetables like cucumbers. Harvesting your sushi garden is the rewarding final step. Pick vegetables like cucumbers and carrots when they are young and tender, ensuring the best flavor and texture for your sushi. Gather shiso leaves and daikon radish as you need them, enjoying their fresh aroma. For rice, follow specific processing steps after harvest to achieve that perfect sushi consistency. Finally, savor the unique satisfaction of making sushi with ingredients you grew yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.